Okay, factory update. We just put the first layer yesterday for gel coat in the material here, so you can see how it looks kind of like a candy cane design. So it's still sticky, but so we put the fiberglass layer over top of the gel coat. The fiberglass layer is the darker color. The lighter color, the white color, is the gel coat. So we put gel coat yesterday where the darker color is, and then the fiberglass went over top yesterday and today. Now we just put the gel coat on the remaining sections in between. Before yesterday, this was all, at the beginning of yesterday, this was all red. So now it's coming together, we're making progress, and we just put this layer of gel coat on, so it has to have some time to dry and harden, and then probably tomorrow it'll be ready to start. Tomorrow morning we'll be able to go through and put down, start fiberglassing the whole thing, and then it's just going to go and go and go. And in a couple of days, this will go from white to this dark color like it is here now, to being darker and darker. I'll move the camera over a little bit so you can see basically the whole structure looks like this right now. And probably in 2 weeks do you think this would be done and all the molds taken off?
Maybe 2 weeks.
Maybe 2 weeks, maybe not even that much.
Yeah,
I think.
Remember, I speaking ready, really inside. I get 12 layers.
How many?
12 layers.
12 layers. Okay.
12 layers.
So that's a lot.
12 inside and 10 here.
Okay.
Okay. Remember the way it's in the strand.
Yeah.
It's in the center.
Okay. All right. So yeah, so that's a lot of layers. We have to do 10 layers towards the center, or sorry, 12 layers towards the center, and then 10 around the outside perimeter. So that's going to take, say, a week to 2 weeks, probably more like a week and a half. We'll see.
Maybe 2 weeks.
Maybe 2 weeks. Okay. All right. So we're making good progress now. We brought some more people in, so we're going to be able to go a little bit faster and get things done.